10-year Treasury note futures opened this session slightly higher with yields edging a little bit lower. Some are thinking there's some carryover sympathy with the safe haven bid in Europe, seeing German yields down 3 basis points and UK down 7. Other news that perhaps influenced the market in the early going was Bank of Japan did nothing to the rates as expected. All that to say, gains in the market appeared somewhat limited given the hawkish commentary from Fed Governor Waller and also St. Louis Bullard, who said that we should raise rates the equivalent of 12 times this year. Get into the bulk of the U.S. session. We continue to have a fairly narrow range. Existing home sales came out and disappointed, negative 7.2 versus negative 6.2 expected. The annual pace also declined ever so slightly, although the median price did rise by about $7,300. That said, the market continued to look at the dollar for clues, which was stronger, WTI as well, and also the stocks, which have been very volatile today. Also in the afternoon, we had results of a phone call between President Biden and President Xi. Nothing to really alter the narrative, or at least the dual narratives of geopolitics and also inflation, which continues to worry traders and investors alike. Next week, we look at some Fed speak. We have auctions and also have some housing data coming out in the middle of the week. So late in the afternoon, we see some squaring of positions. Lastly, going to options, I'm looking at CME Group C vol, looking at June, 1 month basis to 25th percentile, 3 month basis to 45th percentile. At the money vol slightly lower, although skew is higher as the up variance and down variance are both lower, although the put variance is down a lot more than the call variance. Option volume fairly heavy today, 126, 127 calls. On the put side, 125 half through 124 put, both showing observable volume. Lastly, looking at CME Group E Micro Mini Treasury yield-based futures, volume there fairly good today. Yesterday showed a volume of 6,918 with an open interest of 1,621.